In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Enhance Contrast theme in Figma. This feature is incredibly useful for improving accessibility and reducing eye strain, making your design work clearer and more comfortable, especially during long sessions or if you have specific visual needs. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in your daily workflow by making the interface elements more distinct and easier to perceive. To get started, the very first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your profile settings within the Figma application. Look towards the upper left-hand corner of your Figma interface. Here, you should see a circular icon. This icon typically displays your profile picture or your initials, depending on how your account is set up. This is your main access point for managing personal settings and preferences. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. Upon clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a list of options. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Settings. This is where we need to go to customize various aspects of your Figma experience. Click on Settings to open the dedicated Preferences panel. This action will typically open a new window or a modal within your Figma canvas, giving you access to all the configuration options for your account and workspace. Once the Settings panel is open, you'll see several categories or tabs, usually listed on the left side of the panel. These allow you to manage different areas like account details, notifications, and, most importantly for us today, theme. You'll want to locate and click on the Theme section. This area is dedicated to controlling the visual appearance of your Figma environment, allowing you to switch between light mode, dark mode, and other display preferences that suit your working style and environment. Within the Theme section, you will find various display options to adjust how Figma looks visually. As you scan through these, you'll specifically be looking for a toggle or a checkbox labeled Enhance Contrast. This particular setting is designed to increase the visual contrast between different elements in the Figma interface, such as text and background, borders, and UI components. This makes everything stand out more distinctly, which is beneficial for readability. To activate this beneficial feature, simply click the toggle or check the box next to Enhance Contrast to enable it. As soon as you enable this option, you'll notice an immediate change in your Figma workspace. The interface will instantly adapt to the Enhanced Contrast theme, presenting a cleaner, sharper look. Text will appear bolder, icons will have more definition, and various UI elements will be more pronounced against their backgrounds.